On the $1 million yacht, you get a surprisingly big living room, a lower deck with a master bedroom, another bedroom that I can't stand up in, and then you got some double beds for the kids.
Wait, you have kids?
Chris, Chandler, Carl, Nolan.
Don't worry, boys, I got this.
Please stop. Someone's gonna send a rescue boat.
We need the Coast Guard!
I wonder if I turn this if he'll fall. Stop! This is fun! Oh! For $1 million boat, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little smaller than I thought. Let's see if these guys watch our videos.
Oh my God, he's Mr. Beast!
Hey, he has seen our channel. That's pretty funny. So now we're going to the $10 million one.
10 million?
See ya. It's gonna be great.
Bye. Oh my God, he's fast.
And now we are on the $10 million yacht. Let's check this out.
Holy crap. The front of the boat's huge. This is just way bigger than the last one. Look at the view.